Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Seraphic Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 43. And the name of the chapter is Basic First Aid. Now what they are saying is, do you know what should be done when somebody can't breathe or get a wound? Now, if in case you do not know, we are there to help you out with some of the fill in the blanks, which will give you an idea of how to give a first aid to an injured person or a sick person. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first fill in the blank given over here is the dash of the first aid focuses on the critical life saving methods. Now the answer is ABC. Now the question is, what does ABC stand for? They are the alphabets, but they are not talking about the English alphabets. They are talking about the A stands for airway, B stands for breathing, and C stands for circulation. So ABC means airway, breathing and circulation of the first aid focuses on critical life saving methods. Now let's move on to the second question. It says the dash of first aid is a life-threatening emergency. What's the answer? The answer is obstruction. Then moving on to the third is a first aid dash has to determine the adequacy of breathing. And here what will come? Attendant. Then fourth is dash checks are done on less serious patients. जो patients less serious होते हैं उनके ऊपर क्या किया जाता है? Pulse checks. Pulse checks are done on them. The next is the fifth one, that is first aid providers are trained for dash compression. For what compression? For the chest compression. Okay? This is the chest compression. This is the image of the chest compression. So these were all the fill in the blanks. We have now completed them. Moving on to the your answer please for the children. Now children, the first question is, what things will you put in your first aid box? Make a list of all the things that you are going to put in your first aid kit. Make a list and then write it down. The next question for you is, why do you think that first aid is important? क्या requirement क्या है first aid kit की? सोचिए, समझिए और आंसर लिखिए बुक में. This is for you children. Then next, moving on to the quick fact. The quick fact says that, as I already told you, what does ABC stand for? ABC stands for airway, breathing and circulation. The second one is artificial breathing is also known as rescue breathing. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.